Hello, darlings. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am gonna be your new favorite horror hostess. Um, I'm gonna be showing you my paintings because I want to start making a series of videos of me teaching you how to draw, how to paint, different techniques, different materials, papers, and all that stuff. But first I want to show you the works I've done so you can decide if you want to subscribe, like me, follow me, or whatever. So I'm going to show you a little collection of my watercolors. They are not all, just a little collection, and for another videos I'll show you more of my techniques. For now I'm just going to show you watercolors. This selection, I think that this public is gonna love it. So gothic and um, horror themed. So this is the first watercolor I ever made. Is this a bat? I called him Morby because of the band Morby, black metal band. So it's my first watercolor ever. I did it for my watercolor class. I love it. It's my baby. Okay. Next one is Dead from Mayhem, another black metal band. Same from the same vocalist and the previous one, Morbid. He unalived himself. But I loved how he sang, and I love the that he his voice had this demon-like vibe. So I portrayed him. Latin America. So I portrayed him in my second watercolor, and I love how the black looks. What do you guys think? If you're a black metal fan, you're probably gonna love it. Or hate me, I don't know, because black metal fans are, trashy. um, this is Chucky and Tiffany. Chucky and Tiffany, right? I love Chucky, and I love all the Chucky movies. Not even being ironic, I love them. Watercolors again. This was the third painting I ever made in watercolors. Cute, isn't it? This, ooh, I had the Queen of the Dam. Lestat and Akasha from Queen of the Dam. I don't know, they're kind of pathetic in the movie because they don't stay as a couple for more than 5 minutes. But I love how they look together, and I love the movie, and I wanted to recreate my own version of them being a indestructible couple. And yeah, I think I portrayed them very, very good. The next one is the Chartres Cathedral or Cathedral. I don't know. It's in Paris. It's Gothic architecture, and I added this dramatic Gothic sky. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you want to print? Prints are available and merchandise. I'm gonna link it below. This is Elizabeth Bathory. I painted her for my illustration classes for mixed media. I made it with watercolors and acrylic painting in the gloves and into her jewelry. As you can see, it shines. I got so excited with this painting because I love her story and all the legend that is behind her. That she's called the Countess Dracula, that she tortured several maids and all that stuff. I love the legend. What do you guys think? And last but not least, myself. I made myself in a Norway Norwegian wood because I dream of being there. And I'm wearing a queen crown and I'm holding a plate with a heart and black tulips that represents death. Do we look at it? I love it. I love it. It's my favorite so far. So, if you like these videos and you want to see more videos like this, please give me a like. And if you want to keep watching my videos and if you want to learn how to I ended up doing that, please subscribe to my channel